Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Combat Craig, and today we're talking about a 6.2% cost of living increase for one of the veterans benefits that many of us receive. The 2024 cost of living increase projections and numbers have been trickling out. It's based on the third quarter of this year. So once this is finalized, after September is over, the actual numbers will be published in October, and we'll know exactly what we're looking at for things like VA disability pay, special monthly compensation, dependent pay, and much, much more. This is a nice indicator because those numbers, the way they're kind of trending right now, is somewhere around 3%, 3.1, 3.2. This particular program, the VR&E program, the VA has officially announced that it's going to be a 6.2% cost of living increase. So this is the first set of official numbers that's in place, and these go into effect October 1st. Obviously, the VA is huge. There's a lot of information that comes out about veterans benefits. Staggered cost of living increases is one of them. I'm here to keep you updated on this stuff. If you like this kind of content, hit the like button, share it with a fellow veteran, watch it, or turn me off. Either way, this is about money and veterans benefits. Whatever you have to do to get paid what you're supposed to be getting paid, I want you to do that. Today we're talking about VR&E, Veterans Readiness and Employment. There's a 6.2% cost of living adjustment, and it goes into effect October 1st. Which is soon, like in a couple days. The sustenance allowance is a monthly benefit, and it's based on the rate of attendance in a training program. So you have full-time, three-quarter time, or half-time. If you're in the VR&E program, leave me a comment below. Is it working for you? Is it not working for you? I didn't have such good luck there, but I know I'm not alone. I haven't had much luck with the VA in general, the entirety of it, for 30 years. So I like to hear victory stories and good experiences because I don't really have a whole lot of them to share. The new VR&E rates are effective October 1st, 2023, and they go through September 30th, 2024. And this is a yearly thing, so that's what's going on right now. We're currently on the 2023 rates, and September 30th is the last day, and then it rolls over to October 1st, and then you get the 2024 rates. What must veterans do to benefit from this increase? Like, is there a form to fill out? Because there's a form to fill out for everything. That's the good news. You don't need to do anything at all. The VR&E allowance adjustment will automatically adjust digitally through the VA system. So there's no action required on your part. Still, look for it. Make sure you get it because we're relying on VA employees and an antiquated computer system that seems to be wrong a lot. So always do your due diligence and make sure you're getting the benefits you're supposed to be getting. And if you're not, challenge that for sure. Here's the breakdown of the new VR&E rates. For institutional training, this is full-time, $768.42 for the veteran alone. That's with no dependents. $953.15 if you're a veteran with one dependent. $1,123.23 if you're a veteran with two dependents. And then after that is $81.85 for each additional dependent. So they lay out, one dependent, two dependents. If you have seven, keep adding on $81.85. This is for the full-time rates. If you want to learn more about the VA claims process, check out my boot camp at combatcraig.com. And if you need medical evidence, that's what this is all about. Hit up my med team. There's an email address below in the description, as well as a link to my boot camp.